without further ado, let's cringe, everyone.
Oh, God.
I hate this part. I wish we did not include this first part. It's just like cringy to me. I hate my fucking voice.
He was like tickling his armpit.
Okay.
Oh, there's Link.
Dude, hold on. That was actually not. That was pretty smooth. The way he put the fucking kid down. Like, watch him. Watch him like walk.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
That wasn't that bad. That was pretty good.
Okay.
I would like the rainbow dash.
The fucking head moving.
I would be sitting on Santa's lap. Come on. Don't you talk to me like that.
His glasses go flying.
Oh,
there it goes. And there was
Oh,
Hank
there it
Hill.
was.
And there's
There it
Dexter.
was.
Oh, what happened?
No, don't get the in-betweens.
Her legs.
Hold on. Was that just like straight up a trace?
Yeah, probably.
Let's find Hank Hill.
Okay.
I'll tell you what, I bet
Oh
he's
my
on
God.
frame 666.
Okay,
no,
I see, we're getting
No,
close.
but it is pretty cursed. It's a kid slapping Santa. He's going to hell.
We were such like a weird art style.
We were. It's because it was like.
Oh, I see him. There he is. Hank Hill.
Oh, it was only 3 frames.
3 frames.
My God.
Why is his hair ain't even colored?
Look at his fucking.
Looks like a butt.
Mom, stop. Mom, I
It's
need my
Dexter's
rainbow.
mom.
Mom, you're embarrassing
Hey, so
me.
those guys, go back.
That's me.
I need
That
my rainbow.
is me.
Mom,
So that's Flareon, that's Jolteon, and that's Vaporeon. That's where they came from.
you're embarrassing me.
They're
And
just,
that's a Vocaloid.
Rainbow Dash.
I think people noticed that one.
Oh, sweet.
Where'd she go? Hold on.
Let's enhance that image.
Okay.
It just slightly leans forward.
Whoa! Oh, the little baby dies.
There she goes. Oh, sweet.
Everybody press type F if you want to pay respects to her death.
Oh, sweet.
Christ.
Jesus. This was like a combination of like a bunch of shit that we.
Yeah, you had made a Nyan Cat before, and so you reused the rainbow.
Yeah.
I
think that's-
really love the way that you draw horses.